Welcome back to Review One Box. BMW is back at it again, and this time it's the baby SUV. The new spy shots indicate that BMW is giving the entry-level iX1 the new class vibes. Let's be real. The old iX1 looked like a polite family EV. This new one, it's pissed off, it's mean, and it's ready to prove a point. Up front, you've got that signature kidney grille finally blending into the headlights, just like the new iX3. It's not just a design tweak, it makes the whole front end look wider, lower, and honestly more premium. And yeah, you're getting flush retractable door handles now. Welcome to the BMW future. Out back, the changes are just as serious. The taillights are stretched out, more horizontal, way sharper, and the bumper has been cleaned up for a more modern look. Even the license plate recess moved down to the bumper, which sounds like nothing, but it makes the whole rear look more sculpted and aggressive. Step inside, and while BMW hasn't shown us pics yet, you can bet it'll follow the iX3 and Neue class vibes. Massive curved screens, minimalistic but high-tech dashboard, and probably more ambient lighting than you'll ever need. Now let's talk power, because BMW didn't just make this thing pretty. They are keeping the muscles. Expect the base eDrive 20 with a single motor producing 204 horsepower and 247 Newton-meters of torque. Not bad for city cruising. But if you want the real deal, step up and go for the xDrive 30. 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 313 horsepower, and nearly 500 Newton-meters of torque. That's proper punch for a compact SUV. So what does this all mean? It means BMW is telling Tesla, BYD, and all those Chinese startups we're not going anywhere. The iX1 is set to premiere at the end of 2025, and when it lands, it's not just another electric crossover. It's BMW doubling down on style, performance, and premium vibes in the EV world, and they are here to stay.